We're going to install the gene ring rivets with a TEP-1 machine. So first we are installing the dies for the gene ring rivets. We're going to install the lower die first. Drops in there, tighten the set screw. Upper die just screws on. Okay, and the rivet cap, that's the cap, right? Goes to the top die. The rivet goes to the bottom die.
Pin.
The pin goes to the bottom die. And we're going to install it into gene material. Just press down. You don't have to put too much pressure. So the machine should stay on the table base, and there's the installation. Thank you.